how to change background in Zoom app. So if you want to change your background in Zoom app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Zoom application. Once you open up your Zoom, or once you launch your Zoom, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged in, what you need to do is just simply go and start a meeting. Now, once you're on your meeting, if you want to change your background in your Zoom app, then you just need simply swipe from the bottom and you will have an option of background. But if you don't find it, go with more, which is on the bottom right. And from more, as you can see that you will have all of these options right here. So you need to turn on your video in order to check if you have any background settings. Or just simply go with the apps section, which is right here. You need to tap on apps. And if you tap on apps, as you can see that you will have virtual backgrounds. You need to tap on it and you will have a lot of virtual backgrounds right here. You can just simply tap on any background that you're comfortable with and select that as your background. In this way, you'll be able to change your background in Zoom app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.